Hello everyone. It is a beautiful, come here Kathy, say hi to everyone. Can you climb? It is a beautiful winter wonderland here in Anchorage, Alaska. I've got my friend here fetching the ball. We have almost, I want to say, close to a foot of new snow. And I'm going to throw this for her. I'll let you see. Well, I can't, I'm doing videos this way. All right, here we go. I might have just lost it for her. We have almost a foot of new snow and it is still coming down. It is so beautiful, and I want to talk today about how you know that you're actually moving forward. So I'm in a master coaching class working on my master coaching certification, and today's topic was about moving forward and communicating, and oftentimes I hear people say that they want to achieve a goal, and oftentimes the goal is so huge that they're unsure of where to even begin to start making that a reality. And so when coaching, I guide people forward by asking questions to help people really dig deep within to see if really that is the goal that they are in fact looking to achieve. And then breaking things into very, very small, doable tasks to actually keep moving forward to that goal. Do you ever have a huge goal or a little goal and you start taking actions and you're all jazzed up about it, and a month goes by and you notice you haven't even done one action step necessary to achieve that goal? The next thing you know, the goal's on the back burner. It's happened to me, and it's happened to a lot of the people that I work with. And so coaching with me, I would help you to move forward by asking really specific questions to help you clarify that goal, what the goal is going to do for you, how it's going to change and impact your life, ways to set up accountability for yourself so that you can keep going to actually get to that goal, and ways to measure that you're moving forward, because oftentimes, most of the time, we take 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. And so when we take those steps back, how to keep our confidence level in the game, to pivot, to readjust, to keep moving forward. A great opportunity for women in your life, $47 vision mapping workshop. I'm calling it Forge Your Path. It is December 2nd and it's only $47. It's so affordable, 90 minutes, action-packed. You will leave with your success pathway, or that woman in your life, maybe your colleague, your teammate, your spouse, your partner, somebody who's been stuck and looking to achieve success for themselves, reach some goals, redirect their life. This is the workshop for them. I'll pop the link into the comments, or you can simply go to alaskatracy.com, click the header above that says Forge Your Path Workshop, and it'll take you right to the landing page with more details. 90 minutes, written plan for your success in 2021. Aren't you worth it? Chancey is. Chancey's worth it. So, oops, got my finger over the camera there. Sorry about that. Have a good day, everyone, from gorgeous, snowy Alaska. Bye.